Launch code. Access granted.
Hello, welcome to this Microsoft Excel class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera. And on this lesson, my friends, we are going to learn how to log cells in Excel by using the F4 key that is at the top of our keyboards for most of us. Okay, so this is our scenario. On this report, I have an inventory of customers who purchase battery packs from us. We are battery packs, rechargeable battery packs wholesalers, and I have right here a report of our customers. And our job is going to be to solve or to find out how much money are we making or how much money are we going to invoice for each of these customers right here based on the amount of battery packs that they have ordered from us. For example, right here, I have the list of my customers, and on this column right here, on column D, I have the units, the number of units that they purchase. The 3-hour batteries are $15 each. And then I also have right here on column F, I have 6-hour units, which are $26 each. So let us solve for this. Okay, so the way I will do this, there are several ways to do this. One of the ways that I will do this, I can just do equals, and I can just multiply this times right here is $15, so I'm going to do it times 15. Okay, and then press enter. Very nice. This is how much money we are going to invoice this customer. Very nice. And then the rest of it I can just fill right here like this using the angry rabbit. But notice that this works. But what if in the future this method works, but what if in the future this price fluctuates or changes? I want to have the ability to be able to change my price here without having to update my formula or to redo my formula. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do, my friends. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back and I'm going to do this formula like this. I'm going to do equals this times, and I'm going to select this cell right here, H1. There you go. I'm going to press enter, and very nice. It gives me the same result. And if I was to change the price right here from 15, let's say, to $16, okay, it went up a little bit. Enter. Look, it also updates and changes in here for me. Very nice. So now we know that this formula works. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to populate my formula like so by using the angry rabbit. But hey, what happened? Look, so what happens right here, the reason why our formula works here, but it doesn't work on the rest of the formulas is because look what happened, my friends. It doesn't work in the rest of our formulas in our column because look, as I populate my formula down, my cells right here, my references for my formula, they're also shift down. So what I need to do, I need to find out a way to tell Excel, okay, Excel, no matter where I copy and paste or no matter where I populate this cell, I want you to always come back to this cell H1 and multiply whatever I have on this formula, whatever value I have on column D, multiply it times whatever value I have on cell H1. So what I will do, my friends, I'm going to have to lock this cell right here. I'm going to actually just lock this reference right here. And I'm going to do that by utilizing the F4 key. So let me go back and do this now again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back. Oh, I'll do one more time. And I'm going to do equals, and then I'm going to select this right here. Remember, my friends, I like to use the method of point and click so that I can let Excel do the typing and the work for me. And now I'm going to select this, and then right after I select this cell H1, I'm going to press the F4 key on my keyboard, and looks what happened right here on my reference, my friends. You see what happened? It puts the currency symbol in front of the H and the currency symbol in front of the 1. These will tell Excel that no matter what value I'm multiplying, no matter what value I have on column D, when I multiply it, always going to go back and multiply it times whatever value is on cell H1. Very nice. So now I'm gonna go ahead and press enter to take my formula for the test drive. Very nice, it works. I'm gonna populate the rest of my cells, of the cells in here, and very nice. Look, it works. Very nice. And now I can change right here the price, for example, to $16. Okay, and look, boom, all my values right here automatically update for me. Very nice. I'm gonna do this, but now I'm going to show you a little secret, my friend. So, and instead of, if this was a real life report and this was a very, very long report, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to double click right here on the angry rabbit, and I'm going to say, cha-chin, and look, it finished to populate your column, the column in your report, all the way down. Very nice. I want to do the next example, and we're going to concentrate on these two, and I'm going to let you guys, we're not going to concentrate on the total sales, with actually will be just the sum of whatever is on column E and then on column G, but we're concentrating actually on just look at these sales. So I'm going to do this one more time. So I'm going to do right here equals, and I'm going to select this times. Now I'm going to select the price for the 6-hour units right there. I'm going to press F4. Very nice. Now I'm going to press enter. Very nice. Last but not least, I'm going to populate the rest of the column by double clicking on the angry rabbit. Chin. There you go. And it worked great. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Now, what would happen, for example, if you already did your formula and you want to go back and lock the cell? Well, no problem, my friends. If you already did your formula, if you already press enter and enter your formula, you don't have to go back and redo the whole formula again. You can just click right here, right in between the H and the number 2. This is called engaging in Excel. You're going to engage between that reference, press F4, and that will also lock your reference. If you want to unlock your reference or your cell, if you think it was a mistake, you can just keep on pressing F4 until you see the currency symbols gone, and or you can press F4 again to lock your cell reference. Very nice. All right, my friends, I hope that you like this lesson and this video, and I hope that you learn from it, and have a great day. Bye bye.
Launch code. Access granted.